Hi, we are going to help you. How can you the jailbreak iPhone iOS 14 or upper version? So there are many customer cannot jailbreak iPhone upper version, iOS 14 or upper version. So I'm going to help you. How can you jailbreak iOS 14 or upper version? Let's start the jailbreak. First of all, you have to download the checkra from this web page. You can see I have already downloaded checkra. You can download from this web page CACCKRA dot in. You can see the checkra and you can download from this link. You can download checkra 0.12.1 beta version. After download, you have to open this tool via application. How can you open the tool? When you will try to open this tool, you can see this type of message. If you cannot find your application, so you can go there and search the application. Customer disturbing me. I'm trying to do one, customer trying to do others. Application, you can see here the application dialog. Then you can drag and drop here. I have already drag and drop here like this. You can see set to replace or keep both. I have already drag and drop in here. You can see the checkra. So click on this software in right button of your mouse. Then you can see the show package content. Go to package content, double click here, and Mac OS. You can see here the double click here. You can see the checkra 1N. Then go to your terminal option. If you cannot find the terminal, then you can search again from here the terminal. You can see terminal here. Click to terminal and open the terminal. Type here chmod space plus x space, drag and drop this file in here and click to enter. Command not found set. Sorry, you have to type chmod space plus x space, drag and drop file here, press enter. Command found. Again drag and drop this file here and here space minus and C. Type C. Press enter button. Sorry, mistake again. Drag and drop tool here. Space minus C. Press enter. You can see the tool run properly and set to connect your phone in DFU mode. So right now you have to connect your phone in DFU mode, then it will be jailbreak. Just keep watching When phone will be connected, we are trying to connect the phone in DFU mode. Connected phone already. You can see the connect. You can see here the information, exploration, checking if device is ready, booting here. I'm in jailbreaking. Continue. Starting the jailbreak. It will be done when you can see the done. Completed, all done. You can see when properly jailbreak completed. You can see the done. All done, all done, all done. Yeah, this phone is completely jailbroken. I hope you will be glad that you can jailbreak the iOS 14 or upper version. Uh, as Unlocker, you also like for this, and you will use as Unlocker service also to unlock iCloud, jailbreak phone, or any other say software activation and credit to buy. You will use asunlocker.com. I hope you will be glad for this video and you will share your opinion in this comments box, and you will use S Unlocker service because of S Unlocker helping you to jailbreak and others tutorial by video. So stay with S Unlocker. Bye bye.